Hey guys, how are you? I'm in Kigali, Rwanda right now. And I did some order of food and I asked the food to come to my room. And sometimes when we do some order of food, we assume because, okay, I'm originally from Africa, I'm from Tanzania originally, so most of the things is okay. So when I did the order of the food took like more than an hour, like an hour and a half to bring. Now it is already night, so I was like, okay, should I go and sleep or what? I ordered I ordered the soup. Obviously, when I order soup in Tanzania or even in Kenya, you get in a small bowl of soup and they ask you for chapati and the water. So this is what I received. I want you to see what I received. First of all, I see this big pan. Like, why do they bring this to me? I didn't want to open. Here, I believe there is chapati. That's what they have. For those who do not know, this chapati are just like, they look like some sort of tortilla, yeah. And then, okay, but they brought me the entire thing of this thing. Like, who does that? Like, so, and this is for one person. So why do they bring all these things? Like, it's just the entire bowl, like, I mean, the entire pot for me. Like, this is so strange, to be honest. Like, I don't know, they brought the whole chicken. And this is dinner. I'm not going to eat all of this one. So you see, like, the entire thing has, you see, I'm not going to finish it. Like, I don't know, they brought the whole chicken. When I ordered it, I assumed they're going to bring in the bowl like this one, just like some few pieces. That's all. That's how I ordered. That I was assuming. But that was a little bit different. So, this is about the culture. I've been learning a lot in Rwanda right now. The funny thing, like another thing which was very interesting, I was ordering food and what I received was a different in my mind. I ordered like some fish, tilapia, the other day. It was huge. So this is another thing, like you get the bowl like that way. And this is dinner. Maybe it'll be dinner and breakfast. Okay, so I'll keep sharing some few stuff which I get from Kigali, Rwanda. But there is a very huge hospitality here. And the people are very, very welcoming here. I have no problem just enjoying each and every moment I've been here. So, thank you. Ulakoze chane.